Friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastava. Friend, today we are discussing important question of English pedagogy. So let's start. First question: a Hindi speaking teacher get posted in a primary school which is situated in a remote area of Rajasthan. Since she does not know the local language, she faces lots of problems. She should first try to get posting to a Hindi speaking area. Second, focus on the textbook as a source of standard Hindi. Third, use the child's language as a resource while teaching. And fourth, encourage the community to learn standard Hindi. तो राइट आंसर जो होगा इसमें कि अ हिंदी स्पीकिंग टीचर गेट पोस्टेड इन अ प्राइमरी स्कूल which is situated in a remote area of Rajasthan. Since she doesn't know the local language, she faces lost of use the child language as a resource while teaching. Okay, third will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. A good teacher is one who first gives them ample opportunity to learn. Second, gives them useful information. Third, explains concept and principles. Fourth, gives printed notes to students. So a good teacher is one who, right, first will be correct answer कि give them ample opportunity to learn. Okay, first will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. Who strongly mentions that language is learned by imitations of stimuli and reinforcement of correct responses? First, Albert Bandura. Second, Kurt Lewin. Third, Tolman. And fourth, B.F. Skinner. Right answer is 4, B.F. Skinner. Next question देखेंगे. The linguist Noam Chomsky maintains that every child has an immediate language acquisition device (LAD) that he uses for first phonemes, second universal grammar, third complex word, and fourth semantics. तो correct second will be right answer, universal grammar. Next question देखेंगे. The acquired system or acquisition of a language is the first formal skills development, second subconscious process of learning, third input output process, fourth self monitoring of language. So right answer is third, subconscious process of learning. Okay, next question देखेंगे. One of the objective of teaching vocabulary is not to first है be able to use word in different context. Second है develop active and passive vocabulary. Third है enable learner to use the dictionary. And fourth, understand the meaning of words. तो correct answer is third, enables learner to use the dictionary. Next question देखेंगे. Active vocabulary consists of word which first we use frequently in our daily life, second we use occasionally, third are difficult, and fourth we recognize and understand. So right answer is first, we use frequently in our daily life. Okay, next question देखेंगे. Combining of movement abilities with academics such as speaking a language is referred to as first cognitive skills, second affective skills, third motor perception skills, and fourth interaction skills. तो correct answer is third, motor perception skills. Okay, third will be right answer. आगे देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है while language vocabulary learners connect one word with its related words and the words which can occur before and after it. What is this technique called? Which vocabulary learners connect one word with its related words and the words which can occur before and after it. What is this technique called? First, dictation, second, note making, and third, collection, and fourth, conversation. Right answer is third, collection. Okay, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. The first generation learners are those who are first learning Hindi for the first time, learning English for the first time, the first from their family to come to school, coming first time to school to seek admission. So the correct answer is second, learning English for the first time. Okay, next question देखेंगे. A word gets its meaning first from dictionary only, second spelling, third from its origin, and fourth in relation to its context. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज थर्ड, फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, लर्निंग टू स्पीक इन अ सेकेंड लैंग्वेज डज नॉट इन्वॉल्व फर्स्ट इट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, सेकेंड कल्चरली बाउंड स्पीकिंग इवेंट्स, थर्ड थियोटिकल नॉलेज ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज एंड फोर्थ सेकेंड लैंग्वेज ग्रामेटिकल नॉलेज। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज सेकेंड, कल्चरली बाउंड स्पीकिंग इवेंट्स। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, व्हेन अ चाइल्ड लर्नर्स अ लैंग्वेज नेचुरली विदाउट मच प्रैक्टिस इट इज़ कॉल्ड फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज जनरलाइजेशन, सेकेंड लैंग्वेज एडॉप्टेशन, थर्ड लैंग्वेज लर्निंग एंड फोर्थ लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन। राइट आंसर इज फोर, लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अबाउट स्टोरी टेलिंग? फर्स्ट, इट broadens their knowledge about various authors. Second, it enhances graded pattern and structure. Third, it promotes whole language approach. And fourth, it is an effective way of learning vocabulary. So right answer is four, it is an effective way of learning vocabulary. Next question देखेंगे, the study of words and their meaning is known as first phonetics, second syntax, third linguistics and fourth semantics. So the study of word and their meaning is known as तो right answer is fourth, semantics. Okay, next question देखेंगे, which one of the following is not a language component? Which of the following is not a language component? First grammar, second speech, third sound system and fourth manuscript. So right answer is four, which of one of the following is not a language component? तो grammar, speech, sound is a language component, but manuscript is not a language component. Okay, correct answer is four. Next question देखेंगे, the major objective of teaching English at primary level is first using English in different situation of life, second speaking English in British accents, and third scoring good marks in the exams, and fourth knowing the grammar of English. So right answer is first, using English in different situation of life. आगे देखेंगे, अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है, इन लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज स्टूडेंट्स टॉकिंग टाइम शुड बी increased because first they use the target language for various purpose, second teacher feel relaxed while students are talking, third they enjoy spending time talking with their friends, and fourth they can learn the correct pronunciation from each other. So correct answer is first, they use the target language for various purpose. Okay, next question देखेंगे, home language is fill in the blanks in a natural way. First taught, second promoted, third acquired and fourth learned. तो correct answer is third, कि home language is acquired in a natural language. home language को acquire किया जाता है. Okay, acquired in a natural way. करेक्ट आंसर इज थर्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, लैंग्वेज इज नॉट फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्टिव, सेकंड सोशल, थर्ड आर्बिट्री एंड फोर्थ सिम्बॉलिक. तो लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ इंस्ट्रक्टिव. ओके, फर्स्ट विल बी राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, व्हेन लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट इज अ डिलिबरेट एंड कॉन्शियस एफर्ट, लैंग्वेज इज फर्स्ट हॉर्न्ड, सेकंड बर्स्ट अप, थर्ड लर्नड एंड फोर्थ एक्वायर्ड. तो राइट आंसर इज थर्ड, लर्नड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट ऑफ एन इफेक्टिव लैंग्वेज क्लासरूम इज टू प्रोवाइड लर्नर्स विथ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू फर्स्ट इंटरेक्ट, सेकेंड इंटरफियर, थर्ड एक्सेस एंड फोर्थ इमिटिएट. तो राइट आंसर इज फर्स्ट इंटरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, रीडिंग इंग्लिश एज अ सेकेंड लैंग्वेज मीन्स first reading aloud, second reading for grammar, third meaning making, fourth decoding of letters and word. Right answer is four, decoding of letters and word. Next question देखेंगे, which of the following is not true while teaching the learner in their mother tongue at primary level? First, it is helpful in the intellectual development of the child. Second, it helps children in learning in a natural environment. Third, it develops self-confidence in the child. And fourth, it makes learning easy. So right answer is first, which of the following is not true while teaching the learner in their mother tongue at primary level? So it is helpful in the intellectual development of the child. First will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे, the second language should be taught through. The second language should be taught through the first mother tongues and translation, second using the target language as much as it is possible, third learners background and talents, and fourth grammar and rules of language. तो राइट आंसर इज कि द सेकेंड लैंग्वेज शुड बी टॉट सो तो यूजिंग द टारगेट लैंग्वेज एज मच एज इट इज़ पॉसिबल। ओके, करेक्ट आंसर सेकेंड हो जाएगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।